All right, so before you begin, you want to make sure that your trailer is raised to about 14 inches off the ground. It's going to be the optimum height that you want to be at for attaching the XL. Let's go ahead and go for it. So you want to crank forward while lowering the ball just underneath the coupler. As you get there, continue to crank until the ball is positioned vertically beneath the coupler. Once in place, you want to drop the latch and tighten the locking nut. Try to get the locking nut as flush as you can at this point. And now go ahead and raise the jack. Once the trailer valet is off the ground, you see that it's rocking around here. We want to prevent that. So continue tightening the locking nut until it's flush with the lip of the coupler. And then, using the tightening tool, it's very important to make sure that it's extremely tight. So after I tighten it up, I'm gonna check. There's no more rocking, as you can see. All right, now that we're in place, we can go ahead and lower the jack. Now the trailer's weight is being supported completely by the XL, and I can go ahead and move forward like so. It's as easy as that.